Hey y'all, welcome back to the Kurldom. My name is Janelle and I'm the founder and KEO of Culture Curls LLC, and today I am back with another video. In today's video, I will be showing you another what I like to eat in a week video. Keep in mind, I work from home every day of the week, and so working from home and trying to eat healthy can be a little difficult, but for the past 2 years I've been able to keep my weight at a certain point where I'm not feeling bad about myself, but where I've been able to at least manage it and get it down when I need to, bring it back up when I need to, even though I don't want to bring it back up. But I've been able to keep a good handle on my weight, and so the foods I'm eating are just foods that make me feel good. I have some high vibration foods mixed with some low vibration foods because I am a meat eater and meat is considered low vibration. And so I am not a nutritionist. I do not have any of the calories or any of the macros, micros written out. I don't even know what that stuff means. However, I do my research on foods as far as what can help me grow my hair a little bit better, because as you guys know, what goes into your body is so important as far as hair growth, your skin, your nails, whatever you're looking for as far as optimal health in your body. Food is literally key. And so the foods that I chose are foods that contain a lot of vitamin A, B, C, D, E. I'm going off the alphabet, girl. But anyway, y'all get what I'm trying to say. I basically try to find a lot of foods that are vitamin or nutrient rich foods that will help my hair, skin, and nails. And so without further ado, you guys know I do not want to keep you too long. Let's go right ahead and get into this video. on the days of the week where I have leftover food, I will actually take a walk on my lunch break. Not like a little Sunday stroll type of walk like how you might see in the video, but actually like a power walk with my mom. We normally try to do at least 2 to 3 miles, especially just so we can get away from our desk and not have to deal with the work that we have to go back to. And so yeah, 2 to 3 mile walk or a mile walk, whatever we can do just to clear our heads or get a little bit of our steps in, especially on the days of the week where I do not want to go to the gym. A walk through the neighborhood is always a go-to for me. Okay, so we are at the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know that I don't do a lot of long length videos. This wasn't even a long video, and I've been dabbling in the short department for a while. And so if you haven't seen any of my shorts, make sure that you go back and you watch a lot of those shorts. Also, if you have not watched my first What I Like to Eat in a Week video, make sure you also go back and watch that. And this is also the time where I ask you guys to do something for me. I need you to hit that like button, subscribe, and also make sure that you click the bell so you get notified every single time that I post on this channel. And I'll be seeing you guys real soon. Thank you. Bye, y'all.
I wish that you were here.